Hey guys, she's giving black power. Anyway, welcome to another vlog. Y'all, look how much my hair has grown. I don't think I've done like a update. She's growing. Do y'all like the color? I went ginger. I decided to go ginger because I've never been ginger before. And doing one of my clients, and I was like, you know what? Because I low-key want to cut my hair again and go blonde and just wear it short. But I also want waist length hair. So to compromise, I was like, oh, I could do color. But I didn't want to do nothing drastic, like involving bleach and lifting it, or doing anything crazy. So I was thinking like, oh, ginger is cute, and ginger is like really popular, like auburn brown, orange, copper, ginger. That's the vibe. So I did this color, but yeah, I also did a hair vlog, coloring this in the bundles because I'm about to go get a sew-in by the one and only Brandon Chiffon. Okay. If you like being here, you've definitely seen Brandon on my channel. But if you're new here, Brandon, my homeboy, the GOAT when it comes to hair. Listen, gonna silk it out, gonna press it out, gonna style it out. So I decided, okay, I told y'all, I mentioned in one of my vlogs that I was getting temporary lock extensions. That did not go through. That did not go as planned. So I figured like, oh, let me do a sew-in, because I can do a sew-in. And I just kind of want to be like straight, blowout look. Like, I'm not a braid girl. I don't know how often I say that. I'm really not a braid girl for real. I'm not a lock girl. I'm really not anything that like be hanging from my head. I don't know if that makes sense, but like I feel like a sew-in, like my hair do really well in cornrows. It's already here, and I'm gonna do it before and after in 6 months using the same clip, but we're already here with it. You know what I mean? So like keeping my hair consistently braided from now, which is December, until about June, May, April, May, until about May-ish, June, baby, I don't know. Be very afraid. At that point, summertime, so my goal is to keep my hair done in a protective style, preferably probably the sew-ins. So that will be me getting a sew-in 3 times. Well, and not including today. So that will be me getting 2 more sew-ins after today. Will last me up until May-ish, June. And then by June, July, August, September, I just want to go natural. And do my natural curls, do different styles on my natural hair. Even though I'm able to still style it now, this is the length, maybe an inch longer, but around this length is normally where I be like, all right, I'm about to cut it. So I feel like I've done the same styles with this length at this stage multiple times. Like, we all know what it looks like. I know what it looked like. I know what I could do. I know my go-to styles at this stage. However, by summertime, I'll be past this stage, which is past any other stage I've ever been, because when I get to this stage, I'll be ready to cut it. And I normally do cut it. But I said I'm not cutting it. I'm seeing it through. But I'm so happy with the growth. I went, when I tell y'all, I'm gonna post a picture. I went from this to this in a year, in exactly a year. I don't do nothing crazy with my hair. It's normally up like in braids or like locks or a wig or something, but something is normally always done to my hair so I don't cut it or I don't, you know, manipulate it too much. So the only thing, I live by my products. Shameless plug. I live by my products. I love oiling my scalp. I love doing deep conditions. I've been using nothing but Cècred shampoo, clarifying shampoo, hydrating shampoo. I think it's hydrating or moisturizing shampoo, and then the deep condition. And then I have been using Design Essentials Rosemary and Mint scalp treatment conditioner mixed with the Cècred, and then I use my oil, and then I use my hair growth oil, and then I use my intense hydration mist. And like if I have like a braid style or something, I'll do like the itch free mist. But yeah, I don't really do nothing with my hair. I just really let her do her thing, and she be cool. I did call myself giving myself an interim. Never have I ever done that before. I also made it uneven, but that's okay. My ends are not as bad as they were. I decided to just like dust it just to get some of that dead hair off. And it's finna go in braids. So like once, probably by the second time I get my SewIn installed, I'll just have them trim my ends then, and then I won't get another trim until summertime. But yeah, that's pretty much it though. I had one client today. She just got a silk press. I do $75 silk presses on Saturdays. It's really to bring in new clients. That's really the goal. So far, it has brought in one client. All of my other clients snagged the appointment. So, you know, we're working on that. But anyway, my hair appointment, I'm going home. I need to order some groceries, low key. I was thinking about fasting, like doing like a fruit and juice detox kind of. I don't know if I mentioned to y'all, I started another TikTok account focused solely on hair. And I can now go live on that TikTok. So I'll be live over there during the day, like while I'm at the salon, trying to build up some engagement if they don't ban it in a couple weeks. I don't know, but I was filming some content this week. Clients, y'all probably won't see a lot with clients. Yeah, that's where I'm at with it. I'm so excited to get my hair done. I've never, yes I have, I'm always excited when I get my hair done because I never get my hair done. So when it's time to get my hair done, oh my god, like I felt like a kid. I woke up this morning like, what's today? And I was thinking like, oh my god. And I said, oh my god, it's Saturday. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was on time before time for work, just because I ain't want no problems. So I'm excited. Yeah, if y'all can't tell, I'm excited. Anyway, I will see y'all. Ooh, I'm so excited for him to wash my hair. When I tell you, I don't know how many of y'all can relate, but finding a stylist that wash the shit out your hair, nothing compares to it. But yeah, I will see y'all later. I think today would just probably be like an editing day, to be honest, and chill day. Like I just want to chill on my couch and look pretty with my SewIn. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the shop. Yo. Yo. And get a close up on this texture. Texture. The word of the day is texture.
Like some of you people's skin.
Not too much, cause mine's.
Oh my bad.
Texture.
No.
Yeah, I got a small head, which is crazy, but I knew that already. Ooh, straight itch. Yeah, I'm so excited. See you soon. Oh, it's giving.
Precious.
Oh my god. That is a heavy movie.
We used to be cracking up at Precious.
I don't think I ever watched it since.
Really?
Since like it first came out. What is it on?
TV.
I was like, maybe I should watch it.
You never watched it?
No, like as an adult, no.
You don't like Precious, Mercedes? You don't find it funny?
You don't. That's why it's such a heavy movie.
No, because we was watching it when I was at...
watched it once. I feel like fully only watched it once.
Me and Terry used to watch it every day.
Like that's childish.
Used to be wheezing, laughing.
You don't. Wait, why you don't like him?
I don't know. It's too many steps.
Oh, okay.
You gotta wash the hair, slow the hair, braid the hair.
Style the hair.
Style it. And if I was faster, I probably would like it.
I will ask you.
What's one?
I understand that, but you don't think they would.
Well, I had.
Grace, I'm gonna pay you what you put on. I am gonna tip you, but
Because in Atlanta, my price is different. But up here,
you like, okay, I'm gonna rock with y'all. Yeah. I'm slaying the faces in 30 minutes, don't you?
what happened?
She be slaying them 30-minute faces.
That's what I was just gonna say. She doing them quick.
Oh, back to that. Don't.
Act a fool.
You
Not
ain't
playing.
wrong. I don't know you.
Tell me I'm just playing. No, she not.
Everybody.
Tell me I'm just playing. No, you not.
I'm trying not to.
Girl, have fun. Wherever you going.
But how you get this style?
Straight. Natural.
Try not to. I'm trying to tell
It's me scared.
You see me sweating? That song gonna have me drenched.
Somebody about
So
to
what you
fall
gonna put
off.
this on TikTok?
What?
That video.
Oh, girl, my vlog. My YouTube.
You put me in there.
Hey. Get it on the face.
Before I have to take my mug shot tonight.
Oh.